We present you the Zidle Polaris study chair. This is the assembly and feature video. Now let's do the unboxing. Inside the box we have the spare parts. We'll first take out all the spare parts from the box and then we'll start with the assembly. The assembly takes less than a minute. Inside the box we have this base cover, this gas lift, this is gas lift cover, and the chair top. The chair top has the mechanism fitted, so you will place the mechanism on the gas lift and your chair is ready. These are some of the features. It only has an height adjustment feature for up and down movement. We cannot tilt it back. We don't have to tilt it, otherwise it will break. It just have an height adjustment motion. The chair is ready to use. This is less than a minute assembly. Thank you, Zidle Chairs.